In this video, we will discuss the basics of Nmap and how it can be used to scan a network. We will also cover some of the common commands used to launch Nmap scans. So let's get started. First, we will discuss the purpose of Nmap. Nmap is used for network exploration and security auditing. It can be used to scan for hosts and services on a network. It can also be used to detect any security vulnerabilities that may be present on a network. The first steps to using Nmap is to download it and install it. It is available for both Windows and Linux systems. Once it is installed, you can launch it from the command line. Nmap has several different types of scan that can be used. Those include a ping scan, which will check for hosts that are online and responding to pings. It can also be used to perform a port scan, which will check for open ports on a target system. You can also use Nmap to perform a service scan, which will detect what services are running on the target system. Once you have chosen the type of scan you want to perform, you can then use the nmap command to launch the scan. For example, you can use the nmap-ss command to launch a service scan. Nmap can also be used to perform an OS detection scan, which will detect the operating system of the target system. This can be done with the nmap-o command. Finally, Nmap can be used to perform an IP address, which will detect all of the IP addresses on the target system. This can be done with the nmap-sl command. Those are just a few of many commands that can be used to launch Nmap scans. Nmap is a powerful tool that can be used to scan networks and detect any security vulnerabilities that may be present. Congratulations on taking the first steps toward understanding network security and learning how to use Nmap. You are taking the initiative to gain the knowledge and skills to protect yourself and your network from cyber threats. Keep up the great work and you will be an expert in no time. Thanks for watching.